Hey guys, welcome to another ServerMiner plugin tutorial. I'm your host LTJim007 and today we'll look at the Ultimate Rifts plugin. So this is a really awesome plugin which allows you to have a pocket dimension you can teleport to, which has loot, chest, storage. You can invite friends to it. It's customizable. It's a really neat plugin and let's just jump into it. So I've got a few examples here. The way you get to your rift is through a door, and there are 3 different levels by default, but you can add more. So let's go ahead and go through this one. This is level 1. So if we go through this, it will say we've entered Rift 2, and you can see in here there is a chest. It's a small room, and then there is a beacon which allows you to customize it. We'll be looking at that in a little bit. But then if we go into the magenta door, you can see this one, I customized the carpet. It's got some more chests and a brewing station. If we go back through the rift, we'll be back in the main world. And then if we go through this is level 2, and this one's slightly bigger and slightly nicer than the first one we looked at. So what we can do while we're in here is customize it. You can see up the top it says level 2, and what we can do is hit customize, and you can change the wallpaper, you can change the floor. So for example, if I were to do a nice little pattern here, click down here, that is going to set a nice little pattern on the floor. Go back into it and you can see it's level 2, so we could upgrade with 25 levels. And then on the right we can move the door if we want to. We can add members, so you can see I'm the only member here, and you can add someone and type their name in. There's no one else on the server, so I can't do that. And you can see the rift is unlocked, but you can also lock it. And then down here you can disable potion effects if you do not want that. So if we do /rift give your username and then the ID, so this is going to be ID 5, and then the level, so 1, 2 or 3, let's go with 2. And then all we need to do is pop down a door, but as you can see I have the max number, which is 3 already. So then if we do /rift and then list, that's going to bring up GUI and show you all the different rifts that we have. So let's go ahead and delete this one, and you can see that's been destroyed, and now I should be able to put down my brand new one that I have. So there are only 3 levels, but what you can do is actually create additional levels or edit them by creating a schematic. So what you could do is create one and select the area with world edit, so your world edit wand, and then you could do rift, save, and then this is going to be level 5. There's a couple more commands such as the reload command, and then there is the paste command. So if you wanted to see what a level 2 looks like, you could do that, and as you can see this is how big it is, and you could use this as a template. So here we are in the SMPitney control panel. You can see there's actually quite a few folders and files. We've got the schematics where it saves them all, so there should be 5 in here now as I created 2 additional ones. If we go into the levels.yml, this is where you see each one and what they look like, the costs, and then obviously you could copy and paste level 3 for example and make a level 4 and 5, and that should work nicely, and change the door types. If we jump into the config, and then various things such as locking, inviting, moving doors being allowed, max members, max rifts, so we saw that was 3, and then a few other things down here you can customize. Now instead of downloading it on Spigot, it is on the Sungoda website, which I've used before to get a few plugins. And you can see there's some good information here. There is even a wiki, and this is going to give you much more information about how it works and the configs as well as the permissions and commands. But if you need a server to host it on, check out serverminer.com for the best and cheapest hosting around. That's it for me. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time.